Hello guys, if you're watching this, that means you're watching the replay. So type hashtag replay. And today is day 3 of the sari challenge. So as usual, I'm all up ready. I know it is like most of you guys might be still in bed and enjoying the long weekend. So what are you guys planning for July 4th? Are you guys going out or any what is it, like gatherings or anything? For me, I have one today evening, and tomorrow we are heading out for a theme park for the first time. I have never been to this one, even though I was in Charlotte for almost 7 years now. I think it will be 8 years soon. So, but I have never ventured out to go there. But this time I'm thinking I may go. Let's see how it goes. So, I wanted to show what I did for today's look first, and then let's talk about the current promo that's going on. Today's look I have already did once in the group. If you watch that video, I can even bump it. In color wheel, we always talk about color wheel. For example, when we correct redness, we say green corrects red, similar to that. In the color wheel, orange is opposite to blue, so they always complement each other. If you see my sari, maybe that's the reason they picked that shade. If you see, it's like a dual shade sari that has like a orangish pink with the blue, which is like a not a usual combination, I would say. But after what is it, like started this Senegence only, I am learning about all these concepts and color wheel and all. So if you're watching this, say hi. And what is it, like, what are your plans for the weekend? And so orange is opposite to the color wheel blue, so it always complements. This is perfect for people who are like a little worried about eyeliner look, all those stuff. Even I am not what is it, like proficient in eyeliners, because that's more of a practice. That's what I would call, because the more you practice, the more you will get it. So what I did here is this is a simplest form of doing an eyeliner, I would say. So if you see, what I did is I did fiery coral shimmer in my crease, so because that is the color that exactly matched this. And then as I said, this eye look is already there in the group, so you can watch the whole video too. So I did dusk shimmer, which is like a really pretty shade on its own. Even if you're someone who doesn't like more bold shades, then this will be really perfect. It's like I won't call it, it's a pink, it's like pink posy, it's brown and pink, I would say. So it's in between color with glitter, so I used it as a all over lid shade. And for the blue, in the previous video I would have used sapphire shimmer, but you can see sapphire shimmer is really light. So what I did is, whereas lapis glitter is really bold, so I mixed these two. So I mixed one shimmer with one glitter, and I just did my lower lashes, and I also extended it as a liner, like with the same brush itself. I just pulled it a little bit out. That way it looks like as if you have done a liner. But if you see my top part, I didn't do any eyeliner at all. Instead, I used the navy pencil on my top and bottom waterline. That's all I did for today. So this is a very simple eye look. And for my lips, I couldn't pass rhubarb. You can see it's exactly matched the shade, so that's the one I'm wearing. Since this eye look is more subtle, I thought I will go bold with my lip look. So it's rhubarb with Citrus Grove gloss. I really love Citrus Grove gloss because it's actually a scented gloss. But who likes orange creamsicle? When we grow up, we used to have like a really tiny orange candy. That's most of what is it, like kids' favorite. So it's literally like you drinking like a orange juice or orange soda. So that's how it feels. So that's the color I wore for today. So it's rhubarb with Citrus Grove gloss. So that's for that. Thank you so much for whoever hopping on and sending the hearts. It really means. So already few people have taken advantage of the sale that's going on. It's really nice because choosing a what is it, like a sample of your choice is the way it makes the difference between ordering from me versus from the website usually, because from the Hi Shriditya, thank you so much Da. It's my 11th anniversary saree. That's the one I'm wearing this week. It's whole of my anniversary saree. So yesterday one was my 10th anniversary one, and this is my 11th. So this is my last what is it, like Indian visit. So I really miss it. As you know, like my visit was supposed to be last March and it got cancelled, so I couldn't go after that. So this one I got, it's like it's something, it makes it so special. Even though we buy hundreds of sarees online, when you go in person and when you see it, so when the salesperson show and when you ask them to show from the from the rack, it makes a whole lot of difference, because there they will even drape you and show you and all. So I had two colors, if I remember. I had one very subtle one, and when I this one, and actually my in-laws came, we went in my in-laws town. So the moment they draped it on me, they were like, no, we wanted you to get this one. So I said okay. Yeah, Srividya, what to do, we missed that, but still let's hope we can go somewhat closer. So already they started taking advantage of the $150 sale. But the thing is, even for any order, whether it's just a gloss or a lip balm, so you get to pick your sample of your choice. Because see, for example, if I am packing your order, I already know what you already have, so I can add samples that complements that. So for example, if you're ordering a lip sense kit and you always had glossy gloss, then you can ask for a matte gloss. So here I don't know how it's showing. I still need to talk to the customers who ordered it, but that way it makes more sense on picking a sample that you really want to try, instead of them randomly sending it. And second thing is, obviously I think you can pick like a beauty blender or something over $100. But I thought I will show what the 150 really makes it. See, for example, if you are like a basic skincare person, so if you see a cleanser, a day cream and night cream will put you in 140. So for $150 and above, you are going to get a free retired color of your choice. I mean, not your choice, a retired color completely free with the rainbow bag. So this itself is your stock up. And if you are someone who uses the eye cream, I know Srividya always uses. So if you are someone who uses the eye cream, this itself is $50. So stocking up, and at the same time you are going to get something. I think it's a lip color so far. That's what my understanding is. So you will get that first. That's what I wanted to show you what and all choices you can make. For example, if you are a hair care person, again this will put you in shampoo of your choice, the serum of the conditioner of your choice, and the serum. This will again put you in 150 closer, so you can pick that. Or let me show you another example where, for example, if you're picking retinol and brightening, just these two will put you in $150. So whatever you are going to use, you can stock up, and you can always mix and match. These are just some of the ideas I wanted to put, because this is such a good offer. I didn't want you guys to miss. Similar way, for example, if you use Climate Control, Serum C and Neotide or something, then again you will be in 150. So this is another bundle. And the last one I put is like a makeup bundle. So for if you're a first timer and if you're getting your CCTM, your pearlizer and your foundation, then again this combo will put you for $150. So it's like basically you can mix and match, like you can stock up some with your lip color, some with your skincare or something. At the same time, you can utilize all the offers. And if you're a Kiss and Tell member, then you get extra 10% off on top of all these discounts. And also $100 will get you free shipping. So it is like a really nice offer for you to try. And so far it's until it's sold out, so we don't have a deadline for that. So I wanted to just show you guys the different options for today, because I wanted to make a picture for these bundles, but yesterday I couldn't. Yesterday I was out to meet a friend, and also today I thought I will show you that. And for today I'm just wearing a simple I won't say it's a simple, but it's like a medium size necklace. It's still not small or big, so it's a medium size necklace that had a matching earring, and since it had pearls, I just matched it with a pearl bangle. So that's the whole look for today, and you all enjoy your weekend, and see you guys tomorrow. And if you're joining me, please don't forget to add the hashtag Slay in Saree with Aarti. So thank you so much, guys.